You find here, you feel
Yeah.
free, and what do you think about the Pakistan?
I've been here in 1 year. I've completed my first year now.
Okay,
I've experienced a lot of people here and a lot of things. Pakistan is one of the best countries in the world and
okay,
by far the best country in Asia.
okay. You told me you're living in Islamabad,
Yeah.
and where are you from?
I am from Africa, Somalia. My
Okay.
country is Somalia. I live in Islamabad. And Islamabad also is one of the best cities in the world, the most beautiful.
What do you give the message for the Pakistanis? Thing about the Pakistan? Positive feedback.
Yeah.
Your
Yeah, I
feedback.
can understand. In the world, the people have another bad belief about Pakistan, but it's not the same that how people. Even me, when I was in my country, I didn't know much about Pakistan and how it is, but now I know everything, and it's by far the best country. And people are so polite. Everything, the weather is good, the food, jalfrezi, everything.
Yeah.
अभी मजा आ रहा है
Oh yeah,
ज्यादा
yeah.
ओके
Oh, thank you,
Thanks.
thank you.
Thanks,
I love
brother.
you.
Enjoy.